low-life boyfriend away from our house. If you want to live in the gutter, at least don't bring him home with you.
What are you talking about? Danny is.
我上個月先放咗股。
Hey, what can I do for you? You go enjoy yourself. I positive ID on suspect. We got them. We got them.
Inspector Tang, this is Wei. Fangshan is down. Popstar will have to reach out to another supplier. I'm thinking we bag them both at once.
I agree.
Now, if I'm gonna get close to him, I'm gonna need a good disguise. Can you have your people send something over?
All right. Keep me informed.
Got it.
Listening?
Every time I go to bed, I hear you too. Selfish, and he has no sense of timing.
Mama, stop Okay, I don't want to hear.
You can go somewhere else. You put on a performance, you have to expect a critique.
Please.
Somebody should do something.
การคุยจะเข้าที่โพล่า
Excuse me, do you speak English?
I like to think so. Well, enough to get by anyways. You?
Yeah, Wait, what do you mean? Oh, yeah, I speak English.
I kind of guessed. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for this place, Old Temple Academy. I thought it was around here. It's supposed to be a kung fu school, but I'm totally lost. I have no sense of direction.
Yeah, I think I know where it is. I mean, it's not too far. I can give you a ride. I mean, it'll be easier than explaining where it is.
Okay, yeah, that'd be really great. My name's Amanda, by the way, or Amy. Either one is fine.
Oh, nice to meet you, Amy. I'm Wei.
仲等你唔到？
Hey, what can I do for you? I wish I could live
So what brings you to Hong Kong?
just for one
You
day.
thinking of becoming Chinese?
No, I just finished college and I'm doing a bit of traveling. You know, figuring out what to do with my life, that sort of thing.
How's that going?
Well, I've only been traveling for a few weeks, so no real progress on the life front.
So this is the Bam Bam Club.
Back home, I saw a restaurant that looked a little bit like this.
Don't let the locals hear you say that.
Well, I've only been traveling for a few weeks, so no real progress on the life front. But I'm checking out Hong Kong for a while. What about you? You got it all figured out?
I wouldn't say that. You know, I got a few family issues I'm working on clearing up. Maybe once that's dealt with, I'll get on to figuring out life.
Oh, yeah? You got any pointers?
Well, the trick to Hong Kong is learning to live by ancient Chinese wisdom. Look both ways before crossing the street, always buckle your seatbelt, and only apply makeup at red lights.
Wow. This is a pretty cool place for a kung fu school.
Unfortunately, the school isn't in the temple. Well, not that temple, anyway.
Didn't they use this temple as a backdrop for, what was it, Fists of Carnage?
No, it was using the grandfathers of the Shaolin Fist. And only apply makeup at red lights. Don't text and drive, you know, that kind of thing.
Words to live by. Isn't this school supposed to be in a temple?
一、二、三、四。
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to sign up for some kung fu classes. I read about your school in my guidebook.
Your guidebook.
Yeah, it said you teach a style with a long lineage, but in spite of all that, it's still considered very effective.
You want to take classes, okay. And you? Did you also read about this place in some book?
Well,
Wait. I know you.
Yes, Sifu Kwok. I used to be your student. I'm Wei Shen.
Yes. The one who went to America. So you brought this girl back with you. Your skill level with girls, very good. Now time to assess your skill level in Kung Fu. I see time in America has rusted your skills. All men must be some not to American bullets.
Oh, shame is glorious to behold.
架上面有第三個，呢件嘢係咪特價先？冇人買嘅。
I try to steer them in the right direction, especially the younger ones. But they all want to be Songong Yi. Now I just train them in the ways of my art. Try to teach them compassion and discretion, and pray for the best.
Sifu, I don't think there's much more you can do. Oh, Jade Rat. The Song Dynasty, right?
Very good.
The Song Dynasty? That's like 1,000 years old or something. That's real?
Part of a set of 12. One for each animal of the Chinese calendar.
Sifu, you used to have the whole set. What happened to the others?
Stolen by a former student, corrupted by the triads.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Sifu.
So was I. This collection meant a lot to me. But sometimes you just have to let things go. I should close up. It was good to see you again, Wei. And your lovely fiancé.
What?
Okay, that was fun. What do you want to do now?
I need to get home, but I will definitely call you later.
仲有得靠樣揾鏡啊！嫌命長啊你！
Yeah, hello?
Amanda, it's Wei. You doing anything later?
Wei! Hi! I was going to go see Magistrate Park. You want to come along?
Yeah, cool. See you in a bit. Meet me at Victoria Peak.
Yeah, that'd be fun. See you, Wei.
我自己都驚啊！ 嫌命長啊你！
嗰條冚家鏟啊！你條仆街二公仔！喂 ，get over here now.
What's going on, Winston?
It's Benny, manager of Club Bam Bam, old friend of mine. Now he's working for Dog Eyes. That Hamgatan is getting back at us for taking his minibus route.
Look, I'll go talk to Benny, make him see reason.
Yeah, wait, you go do that.
Are you gonna let me in?
What do you think you're doing?
I got a message from Dog Eyes. You wanna tell him you sent me away?
Dog eyes? Oh, sorry, of course. Come on in, sir. Hello? Yeah, speaking.
I'll introduce you to all the
I have to work again tomorrow.
近排忽冷忽熱好易病㗎，帶多件外套穩陣。起碼我真係食唔慣。真係唔知。
Hey, buddy, VIPs only.
What's going on in there?
This is one of the best karaoke rooms in the city. Nobody gets in without a hostess or the boss's approval.
I'm sure we can work something out.
Work something out with the hostess.
Whoa. Hey, what's your name?
I'm Tiffany. Nice to meet you.
I'm Wei. Wei Shen. You're a karaoke hostess, right? Can you get me into the VIP room?
Sure. Just come with me. You have a bit of an accent. Are you from around here?
Yeah, originally, but, I was in the States for a long time.
Oh, that's so cool. I always wanted to go.
So, what's Benny like?
Benny? You mean the manager?
Yeah,
Well, Benny's nice enough. He always makes sure you get paid on time.
that's good. So, who does he rely on for protection?
Let's go sing. Come on. Sing me a song.
My friend bought me this new portable music player. It's so small, I don't even know where the music goes. I just give my friends gift certificates. By the time I find out what they want, they're onto something else.
Good point.
Yes, I know what you mean. My friend was showing me his new phone. He presses 3 buttons and he's watching a movie. I couldn't even figure out how to make a call. Time for me to go.
老友，好耐冇見啦。
我而家真係冇乜嘢啦。次次買呢樣嘢即係輸咗。
OK。
呢一場輸咗2萬蚊。
遲啲再傾。
Wow, you're actually really good.
Listen, I like it down here, but back home, I'm used to a little more. You'd be the person I'd talk to about that, right? Can I get a VIP room?
Yes, of course. It's much nicer up there. Go ahead to the lounge upstairs. I'll get the room set up.
I don't understand what his business is, but people keep telling me he does very well. So, I'm proud of him.
次次買呢樣嘢即係輸咗。
Bye, Wei.
喂，幫懵啊你！你真係諗住我會俾錢啊
Oh, hey. Who the fuck are you?
I'm looking for Benny.
Hey, Benny.
Yeah.
Some guy here wants to talk to you.
Hey, what can I do for you?
I have a message from an old friend, Winston Chu.
Winston? Well, this isn't such a good idea. I think you should leave.
He wants you to know that Dog Eyes isn't your problem anymore. If he gives you any trouble, you let Winston know, and I'll take care of it, personally.
You heard that, man. Get the fuck out of here.
Get out of the club now!
冇運行啦！喐手啦！唔夠薑啊！打電話啦，唔係等陣冇手撳啊！
有啲嘢
我搞掂你啦！冇理我啦！哇！你老母，你唔係點打啊？哇！嚇撚死我啊！你條撚樣，有種你就咪撚閃！哇！
Benny, get the fuck out of here! Benny, I know you're in there!
嚟啦，仆街！踢死我冚家鏟！
Wrong move， 仆街！好玩咩？哇！屌啊！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？我覺得你搞錯咗。
Relax, Benny. I'm not gonna kill you.
Okay.
Just listen.
Okay. What do you want?
Just what I said. Winston wants to be your friend.
And what about Dog Eyes?
Not your problem.
I hope you're right. For my sake. Can I go now?
Of course you can, Benny.
Would you like some ice cream? It's delicious.
You're late.
Conroy's still watching me. He's got a real hard on.
Is your cover compromised?
Well, you haven't fished me out of the harbor yet.
All right. How are you doing?
How am I doing? Fuck, Raymond, where do I start? There's a civil war brewing in the Sun on Yi. Winston and Dog Eyes escalated practically every day. Don't you read my fucking reports?
I mean, you personally. How are you doing?
Look, Raymond, I gotta get back.
Your state of mind is important, Wei. It's important to me. It's important to how you do your job.
Fuck you. I do my job just fine.
Well, that's for me to decide.
You mean Pendrew?
Pendrew assigned me as your controller. And listen, Wei, Pendrew may not be concerned about you, but I am. I know you have a personal stake here, but this cannot be a vendetta. We're cops. There are rules.
You're a cop. I'm an undercover cop. The rules are different. And you're fucking concerned about me?
You are an officer of the law, Wei, same as me.
We are not the same. You understand? We done?
Yeah, we're done.
What do you want me to do about it? So? It's a club. What do you expect? I think it's kind of sexy, like when Danny...
Hey, what can I do for you? Why? Don't go too crazy on this one, Wei.
got a moment? You got the stuff? Let me see the stuff.
Of course I got that stuff. You think I come to a drug deal without drugs? My shit is the best. Check it out.
Money's on the boat. Follow me.
Nah, she's fucking 3 hours. You're full of shit. I saw it in his mother. Down here?
I live here. I gotta sleep. Get to boat. Drunk.
Get out here.
Oh. Come on, man. Come on, man. I gotta.
Oh, God. That's disgusting. Oh, shit.
Bullshit. 10 keys at 35.
You're cheap. My stuff is worth twice now. These are old friend prices.
I'm not your old friend. 35.
You bring me all the way out here to waste my time? Am I some type on these street merchant? Smuggler Hong doesn't act. Oh, no. 50. Maybe the scratch of another 5 keys for you.
40.
Fuck you. 48 or I sell it all at 18K. They don't got a problem with me.
Did you get Popstar's supplier?
I got him, but so did Popstar. 2 shots in the chest.
Damn.
Shuts down the drug pipeline at least. And I'm giving you Popstar on a platter. I got the deal and the double cross on camera.
Good work, Wei. Thanks. With Popstar gone, Sun On Yi is down to only 1 supplier. The bottleneck will create a lot of tension inside the triad. Watch your back, Wei.
Great.
star and his top lieutenants. Conspiracy, trafficking, possession, and murder. He'll get life. And we've seized what looks like an entire month's supply. Thanks, Wei. We've done more to stop drugs coming into Hong Kong than half the narcotics squad combined.
Great. You won't regret it.
My curry fish balls will blow your mind.
Great when you're on my side.
Wait, we've been waiting for you.
You guys smell something? I do. 一直食屎嘅老鼠。You know what happens to rats, Wei?
Yeah, I heard. Conroy gave me all the details when he was helping me out on that midway.
You're so sad! What the fuck do you think you are, huh? You come in out of nowhere and suddenly our guys start to get arrested? He ratted out pop star Winston. I know he did.
What are you gonna do to him? This motherfucker right here is a snitch.
Is that right, Ming?
You fucking rat. I sent you to pop star, but now he's in jail.
Yeah? And who stands to gain the most from that? You're gonna take over Popstar's whole ketamine racket now. No more scraps for you. You supply the whole city with drugs. You and Dog Eyes. Popstar's gone, but you're still dealing, aren't you? So who's supplying you?
Are you guys actually listening to this asshole? He's a rat. He's a fucking rat.
你個冇狗用嘅垃圾 You're still working for that bastard, aren't you? 係咪啊？
Winston, I swear.
Always a dirty fucker,
我發誓唔係我，唔係我。
Clean that up. Loyalty's important, Wei. Never forget that. You get in this business for yourself, you're bound to end up like little Lanta. You know what happens to rats? Wait, he ran it out pasta, Winston. I know he did.
What are you gonna do to what?
I wanted to surprise her. Waited for Mom's place. I had to get her out of here. All the special. Give her some money and send her to a hot boy. I spoiled her.
Hey, what can I do for you? Oh, I wish I could live your life just for one day.
I found one of your statues.
Oh, the dog. Excellent. I must confess, I was surprised to see you back. I had hoped that you might have escaped Hong Kong. Escaped its influences, its problems.
We took them with us when we left. So coming back didn't change much.
Are you ready to confront them now?
Yes, I think so.
What would you like to learn? You have studied Wushu, ancient master of defeat. Wu says, first, put yourself down. Okay. That seems a... You are the first student I've had right improved by studying in California. Please stop by again if you find one of my statues.
I'm trying to learn Kung Fu.
I found one of your statues.
Ah, the dragon. Wonderful. I promised myself I wouldn't train members of the triads anymore. Not good for one's karma.
What makes you think I'm in the triads?
Don't lie to me. If there are things you can't reveal, don't. But never lie.
How do we talk about the things I can't reveal?
We don't need to. I knew you well once. I don't believe people change that much.
I appreciate your faith.
What would you like to learn? Weak! Have you learned nothing? You've forgotten everything! Please, stop by again if you find one of my statues.
I found one of your statues.
The snake. I am grateful. I understand your sister passed.
She was an addict. She couldn't kick it. It's not a very interesting story.
I suppose. Though in light of that, your chosen career is rather interesting. To me anyway, knowing who you are.
You asked me once not to lie to you. And I think in return, you shouldn't ask me about my career.
Fair enough. What would you like to learn? You have studied Wushu, ancient master of defeat. Put yourself down. Okay, that seems impossible. You are the first student I've had who might improve. Studying in California. Woo! Too much time with your girlfriend. Only abstinence will cure you. And in your case, that might not be enough for change. Please, stop by again if you find one of my statues.
I found one of your statues.
The sheep. This is good. Did you enjoy your time in the States?
It was all right.
To have two homes is to have two souls. So they say.
What if you never feel at home anywhere?
Then I think you must guard your soul carefully, so as not to lose it. What would you like to learn? You have studied Wu Ju, ancient master of defeat. Sun Tzu says, put yourself beyond this. That's the You are the first student I've had who might by studying in California. Too much time with your girlfriend. Oh, please stop by again if you find one of my statues.
All right. You want to fight? You look like you might survive a couple of rounds.
This triad guy. So what do you? Basically, it's act like a monkey.
你瞄準啊！打柒你咯！
All of last year's Ikoze shoes are on sale today.